In this video, we will learn about different types of big data. Big data can appear in three different formats or three different types: structured, semi-structured, and unstructured. So structured data are those which follow the traditional tabular structure. For example, the data that are stored in traditional SQL databases like Oracle, MySQL, etc. In these databases, the data actually stored in the form of columns. For example, in this example, you can see a customer record is stored in the form of a table, and it has first name, last name, order ID, and order total. There are two different customers named Alice and Bob in this table, and they have their corresponding last name, order ID, and order total in here. But if the data is available in this format, then you are in luck. However, data is not always available in structured format. Rather, the motivation of big data itself is to try to find pattern in any form of data. So those data can appear in this type of format also, this type of semi-structured format also. So the semi-structured data does not reside in fixed fields or records, but does contain elements that can separate the data into various hierarchies. The traditional like JSON, XML, these type of formats are example of semi-structured data. In this example, you can again see the same customer record like Alice and Bob's record, but in a different format. As you can see in here, it is not following any tabular structure, but of course it has some different attributes like first name, then it has last name, the order ID, order total. Just the representation is a little bit different. So that is semi-structured data. And the third one is unstructured data. It may happen that the data is available in the form of an English paragraph only. Means the data does not follow any structure at all. So just read out these two lines and you will see that these two lines are indicating the same customer record that I have discussed in structured and semi-structured data. Now this is represented in a totally unstructured format. This Alice and Bob's record are also here. All the informations are same, but they are totally unstructured. So why do we need to analyze these different types of data? So there are of course some opportunities and challenges. It has been seen that if the data is going from structured to unstructured format, the amount of information inside that data increases abruptly. And if you can analyze those information, then you can get significant competitive advantage talking from the business perspective. However, at the same time, analyzing those unstructured format are really computationally difficult comparing to the structured format. Hence, we need some big data analytics tool. So this is all about the different types of big data, and right now we understood that why do we need different types of big data analytics tool.